AI-generated videos have taken over the internet. Are you feeling overwhelmed with the surge of AI tools and still not knowing how to create such videos? Since video models like Sora and Veo have become more accessible, creating viable AI videos is no longer limited to experts. This allows you to become a creator. And in this video I'll show you how you can create those viable AI content using only our Agentic browser, Opera Neon. But for creating a viral video, you obviously also need a strong hook, a clear story structure and compelling visuals. We'll skip those today and focus purely on the workflow, how to turn your idea into a final video using all the tools in our Agentic workspace. For today's video, I chose a reference from the animal niche. These videos are not only entertaining, but also perform well on various socials. This monkey, reimagined as a streamer, simply eating various dishes is just one example. And our reference for today's video. If you want a short base prompt from the reference you chose, simply upload the image to Neon and turn it into a prompt, or use a card. This gives you a solid starting point for going into further detail. Our first step is creating a still frame for the video. We always start with an image and then turn that image into a video later on. I've prepared a prompt for our first frame, but instead of using an animal, we use the Neon robot as the main character. All prompts used here are shared in our Discord, so you can rebuild and remix the setup yourself. In Opera Neon, select the Make tab, paste in the prompt, and generate the first frame using Nano Banana. Here, it's important to explicitly choose the model and set the aspect ratio to 9:16 for vertical videos. And our first result looks pretty solid. You can always tweak and regenerate until you're happy with the image before moving on. Once the first frame is ready, let's turn it into motion. We can either stay in the same tab or open a new one. Again, we choose the Make tab, but this time we specify Veo3 as the video model in our prompt. But you can also give Sora a shot just by mentioning it in your prompt. We upload the image we just generated and use a short prompt that focuses on movement and action. We don't want to change the look of the image, only bring it to life. And here's our result. Our Neon robot enjoying a meal, just like in the reference we picked. The video is also ready to share instantly through a simple link. And one more powerful thing, you can create Neon cards for the workflows you use often. For example, you can create a card for generating the first image frame and another card for turning that frame into a video. This way, you're not starting from scratch every time. You're just reusing a proven process by building the setup for your videos. And this was a quick behind the scenes look at how viable AI videos can be created using an Agentic browser. If you want access to the prompts and the cards, feel free to join our Discord server. We'll see you there.